Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp, right? So it's very easy to do it. I will show you that how to block, then I will show you how to delete a contact, right? So first of all, we just go to WhatsApp and let's say that I have blocked this person. So I will just go to the profile icon. On the top right, there is no option to block. You have to just go to the bottom and I will just click on block, right? So once it's blocked, right, you won't be able to send any messages or anything stuff, right? So first of all, you have to just go your contact, then you have to search that contact name, right? For example, I have to search that contact name and you have to select it, and you have to delete it from here, right? So you can just delete it from here, otherwise you can just go to the WhatsApp and click and hold, and then you can click on delete chat. So this is how you can delete block contacts on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, subscribe.